Hello folks, so today we are making some kimchi fried rice, and of course we begin with our scrambled eggs. Then we added our spicy napa cabbage, that's fermented cabbage, which is kimchi. We added some garlic, and we also have some chicken. Yes, and this is fried chicken and a little bit of jerk chicken that we have left over. And guys, I promise you, normally I don't cut my onions like this. I cut it on a cutting board, so don't try this at home. We added our chickens and our onion, and then guys, we added some rice. This is rice that was previously cooked, and guys, the food just fell off. We added some fish sauce, sesame oil, and chili oil, and then we made this, just nice and salty up in the pot. And guys, the kimchi fried rice was the bomb. You have to try this in your neck of the woods. Finish it up with some green onions and ready to serve. Remember, Yard Belly TV, we do this every day. You understand?